How to get Xbox refund step by step. To request an Xbox refund, first of all, you have to sign into the Xbox request and order refund page in the web browser. So go ahead and launch any web browser of your choice, then tap on that search bar. Now type Xbox refund. From here, you will find request a refund for digital games option. Go ahead and tap on this. From here, you also have to make sure that you are eligible for the refund. Now, to submit the refund request, once you are here within the refund page, sign in with your Microsoft account, which was used to make the purchase itself. Scroll down to the purchase history section, then look at the item and check the box next to it. If you don't see it, select show more or check your order history via Microsoft.com to copy the order number. Now click the green request a refund button and select your reason for the refund from the drop down menu and provide any additional details and simply click submit. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.